guys, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve this gorgeous warm eyeshadow look. It's so freaking pretty and warm. Get into it. Yeah, so I'm using a new palette that I just got the other day. This is the Tarte Toasted palette, the Tartelet Toasted. And this palette, first of all, the packaging is so freaking cute. It's like heat, so you automatically know you're going to get you some nice warm tones, some pretty tones, all different types of browns and shimmers and mattes. This palette pretty much has it all. And here are the colors. You have 12 different colors. It's probably very reminiscent of the Urban Decay Heat palette, the Naked Heat palette, but I just wanted to try this one out. It has this full mirror, so it's definitely a go. And I just topped it off with a warm lip color and of course a warm highlight. Do you guys like my hair? I have a video on how I cut this bob. Actually, when I made it, I actually ended up cutting it even shorter than what I did in the video, so I'm still working on that video to figure out really what to talk about in it. But yeah, I'm just rocking. This is a custom unit that I made. You guys, don't forget that you can always let me make you a custom unit if that's something that you would be interested in. You can just email me down below or find me on Instagram and then book an appointment. And if you're in New Jersey, we can meet up. If you're not, I can mail it to you. So that's that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. It really took me under 30 minutes to do eyes and face. So hope you guys enjoy, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Mwah!